Let's do this question. When rolling 2 dice, what is the probability of getting the sum as 10 or less? Pause the video, give it a try, and then let's do it together. Alright, we are back. I hope you have given it a try. Let's do it together. Over here, 2 dice are rolled, right? So in each die, you can get any of the outcomes, that is 1 up to 6. So the least sum you can get is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. And the greatest sum that you can get is 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12. Now, we need to find the probability of getting the sum as 10 or less, right? So that would be the probability of getting the sum as 2 or 3 up to 10, right? So one way of solving this question is we can find each of these probabilities. That is the probability of getting 2, the probability of getting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and then we can add up all these probabilities. That is one way of solving this question. Another way is we could find the probability where this event, which is P of E, does not happen, and we can do 1 minus that event. That is 1 minus probability of E dash, right? And what is E dash? That is when the sum obtained is not less than equal to 10. And what are those cases? It could be 11 or 12. So this over here, 1 minus P of E dash is equal to 1 minus probability of getting 11 plus probability of getting 12. So we can see that this approach saves us much more time because we just need to find two probabilities. Alright, let's see the case where we obtain 11. So we have 2 dice over here. Now to get a sum of 11, I could get 5 on the first one and 6 in the second one, or I can get 6 in the first one and 5 in the second one. That's 2 outcomes, which gives me a sum of 11, and therefore the probability to get a sum of 11 is 2 divided by the total number of outcomes, which is 6 into 6, right? Because in the first die I can get 6 outcomes, in the second die I can get 6 outcomes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Therefore in the first die and the second die I can get 6 into 6 outcomes. So in 2 out of 36 outcomes the sum will be 11. What about 12? There is only one possibility with which I can get a sum of 12, that is in both the dice I should get the outcome as 6. So there is just one way in which this can be done, and therefore the probability to get 12 is 1 by 36, and therefore the answer to this question as per what we have written over here is 1 minus 2 by 36 plus 1 by 36, which is equal to 1 minus 3 by 36, which is equal to 11 by 12.